I just said inside, this is my first this year. Oh, sorry. This is my first award this year, and I'm hoping to get some more. But I'm really, really honored to get this.
If you had to describe tonight's energy in one hashtag, what would it be?
Energy. I don't know, it's a feeling. Hashtag love, because I feel loved right now.
The Radio City Mumbai Icon Award honors resilience and creativity. What's one mantra that's kept you going?
So there's this quote which I live by is if you can dream it, you can like live it. Yeah. Oh, okay. What again?
Look for the answer.
Okay.
You can just look at
Okay. I thought you. If you can dream it, you can live it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
कोई any memories जो रेडियो सिटी के related हो क्योंकि बचपन में अक्सर टीवी
हाँ मैं अंदर आई वॉज थिंकिंग दिस आई वॉज सिटिंग इन साइड एंड आई वॉज थिंकिंग कि पहले तो वी यूज टू लिसन टू रेडियोज हमेशा हमेशा और अभी देर सो मेनी अदर मीन्स बट वी स्टिल लिसन टू द रेडियो लाइक सो इट इज़ समथिंग दैट हम लोग बहुत कनेक्टेड है एंड द अदर डे वी वेंट टू अ पार्टी birthday party and we were coming back and जो वो था 2 songs from Big Boss played in the car and we were like yay.
हालांकि बिग बॉस से निकलने के बाद कई ऐसे कपल हैं जिनके रोमांटिक सॉन्ग भी आए हैं फैंस आपका और करणवीर का सॉन्ग का वेट कर रहे हैं कोई ऐसा प्लानिंग चल रहा है कि सॉन्ग
अब अभी तो नहीं बट दूसरे क्या बोल अदर थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग तो उसमें टाइम लगता है ना तो
नहीं है दोनों
नॉट रियली सॉरी बट मे बी आगे चल के फ्यूचर में होगा है ना ओके थैंक यू सो मच थैंक यू
She will ask the questions, but answers you can give it straight in here
Okay, got it.
to them. Yeah.
To them, right? All right.
Congratulations on being recognized as Mumbai Radio City Mumbai Icon.
Thank you very much.
How does it feel?
अरे guys बोलो
So it's an incredible feeling. सबसे पहले तो बहुत सालों के बाद मुझे अवार्ड्स मिल रहे हैं अपनी परफॉर्मेंस के लिए अपनी मेहनत के लिए तो ये अवार्ड सिर्फ मेरा नहीं है ये मेरी पूरी टीम की है ये it's for my mom it's because of Sanjay sir and again I want to dedicate this award to my dear friend who unfortunately passed away last year to Tushar Tulsidas Nayak so this award is for you thank you.
What's one thing you do to celebrate tonight, Taha?
Actually, I just landed from a 24-hour flight, so I think I'm going to go and sleep it out.
Winning a Mumbai Icon Award means leaving a lasting impact. What's the legacy you want to create?
The legacy that I want to leave back would be that all of us can make it. We just have to put our heads down, focus, and never give up. In the most dire times, in the times when everything seems dark, don't give up. Right? That's the legacy that I want to give back. And if I can inspire even one person, I guess that's the blessing God gave me.
What's one mantra that's kept you going?
What's one mantra that keep me going? खुद को कर बुलंद इतना कि खुद खुदा आकर पूछे कि बोल तेरी रज़ा क्या
कोई अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट जो मॉडल्स आने वाला है
प्रोजेक्ट्स तो इंशाल्लाह बहुत आने वाले हैं पर यहाँ पे इस मंच पे अभी फ़िलहाल मैं बात नहीं कर सकता ये प्रोड्यूसर के हाथ में जब वो बोलेंगे तो हम बात करेंगे राइट थैंक यू थैंक यू मैम थैंक यू वेरी मच थैंक यू सी यू
क्या पहला फोटो
She will ask you the questions,
Okay.
but you need to address them for the right framing.
Oh.
How does it feel winning a title at the Radio City Mumbai Icon Awards?
It feels wonderful. It feels great. ये मतलब सपनों में भी कभी सोचा नहीं मैंने.
Congratulations on being recognized as Radio City Mumbai Icon. What's one thing you'll do to celebrate tonight?
I'll call up my parents and share this wonderful news with them. And yeah, मतलब tap myself on the shoulder कि ये भी एक मतलब अच्छा achievement है. Yeah, so yeah, I'm very very grateful. Actually मुझे ये अच्छा लगता है कि I am receiving this award for my debut in Marathi cinema for my film Illu Illu. And yeah, it's a very sweet recognition. मतलब ये मुझे लगा नहीं कि मतलब एक award मिलेगा मुझे. So thank you.
What would you like to say to the Radio City Mumbai team?
कि ये कहना चाहती हूँ मराठी में कि मी तुमची खूप आभारी आहे for this recognition.
Thank you, Eddie.
धन्यवाद.
Radio City has been the voice of Mumbai for decades. What does Radio City Mumbai Icon Award mean to you personally?
It means the icon of all the awards. That's what it means to me.
Winning a Mumbai Icon Award means leaving a lasting impact. What's the legacy you want to create?
The legacy of attending all the red carpets in the city.
Your fans love you. And if you had to send a special shout out to true Radio City style, what would you like to say?
Radio City,
Rag Rag mein Dode
रग
City.
रग में
Dode City.
रग रग में दौड़े सिटी. क्या बात है. Thank you.
Thank you.
फोटो या आप डिसाइड करो. इतने भी कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स मत दो है.
Agar you
Yes.
had to describe tonight's energy in one hashtag, what would it be?
व्हाट इज योर सेइंग व्हाट दौड़ के क्या
Rag Rag mein Dode City.
रग रग में दौड़े सिटी इज हैपनिंग इनसाइड दैट प्लेस एंड हियर विद ऑल आवर पैप्स हु आर वेरी एंथुसियास्टिक ऑलवेज. किसी का फोन बज रहा है.
Congratulations on being recognized as Radio City Mumbai Icon. How does this moment feel?
Oh, it feels wonderful. Don't confuse like that, then I forget what I'm saying, train of thought. But no, it feels great, I think. Any sort of validation that you get, and one like this is very, very special. Especially like I got mine for Rita Sanyal. Rita Sanyal देखा आपने?
जिन्होंने नहीं देखा आपने, उसके लिए मिला. Thank
What's
you.
one mantra that's kept you going, Ada?
There's no one mantra. I think if you have one mantra, you can't keep going. You have to have a different mantra maybe every single day, because this industry is very overwhelming with the ups and downs. So a different mantra every day.
What's something you'd like to say to the Radio City Mumbai team?
You guys rock, yeah. Your energy always. Even when I come to promote a film, like to the office or even here live, and I think because you guys are all like all the RJs are hosting it, there's like impromptu energy. It's like watching a stand-up show where people are giving bad things. It's very, very entertaining.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
इसलिए हम साइड से
नहीं ये इधर आ जाएंगे. ये है, इधर आ जाओ.
आपको रेडियो सिटी मुंबई आइकन अवार्ड्स जीत के कैसा लग रहा है?
हाँ, मैंने सुना नहीं. क्या? हाँ क्या?
आपके फैंस सर आपसे बहुत प्यार करते हैं. आप रेडियो सिटी की स्टाइल में उनसे क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
मैं मेरे चाहने वालों को यहाँ से प्यार करता हूँ और रेडियो सिटी उनके गाने सुनता हूँ. एफएम सुनने में मज़ा आता है. जब भी शूट के लिए कहीं दूर जाते हैं, लोकेशन दूर होती है, एफएम ऑन रहता है. तो अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ आके. मुंबई आइकॉनिक अवार्ड 2025 मेरी तरफ से ढेर सारी बधाइयाँ और शुभकामनाएं.
आपके जीवन में सर आपका आइकन कौन रहा है?
मेरे जीवन में सबसे पहले मेरे पिताजी. उन्होंने हमेशा यही चीज़ बोली, हारियो न हिम्मत, बिसारियो न हरिनाम. तो हिम्मत जो है वही है ऑक्सीजन, और प्रभु जो हैं वही हैं टॉर्च. वही कहीं लेके जाते हैं. तो बस चले जा रहे हैं.
और आपका सर लाइफ का एक मंत्रा क्या है?
कुछ भी हो जाए, काम करते रहो. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू सो मच.
Nice couple.
थैंक यू दोस्त.
Be asking questions for us.
Radio City has been the voice of Mumbai for decades. What does Radio City Mumbai Icon Award mean to you personally?
Oh, well, it means the world to us, to be honest, because we've been listening to Radio City since I was a kid, I think. And to be getting an award from Radio City is a big validation.
Radio City means coming to Mumbai. That's the first time I heard of Radio City, and I was listening to Radio City. And because I came alone, Radio City was my companion.
You've been receiving numerous awards back to back, and yet another year brings recognition for you. So how does it feel?
It feels great. So is Batuleka. I think her performance in IC 814 has been celebrated a lot and totally deserving.
No, but let's talk about you. You have had.
Yeah, I think God's been really kind that last year was such a wonderful year for me. Films like Shrikant got so much of love for my performance, and the film did well at the box office. And then Stree 2 came and broke all the records possible, and then got so much of love. Then Vicky Vidya, Mr. and Mrs. Mahi, varied genres, different characters, but that's what I want for every year, to play challenging parts.
Your fans love both of you so much. If you had to send them a special shout out in the true Radio City style, what would you say?
Oh, thank you so much, guys. We love you too, and thank you for being so kind. Thank you for supporting us. We support each other, we love each other, but together we love you guys.
मैम बहुत जल्द फिल्म हमारे फूले आ रही है, क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगी? ऑडियंस काफी बेसब्री से वेट कर रही है.
नहीं, मैं भी बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ. आई थिंक ट्रेलर लोगों को काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है, और सावित्री बाई और ज्योतिबा फुले की बात कर रहे हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली अच्छी तो होने ही वाली है.
She's amazing in the film. I've seen the film.
बहुत जल्द आने वाली
भूल चूक माफ, yes.
तो उसमें क्या कुछ होने वाला है, कुछ बताना चाहें?
बहुत मज़ा होने वाला है. It's a very unique concept. It's a family entertaining film. 29 की हल्दी थी, 30 की शादी थी, पर हल्दी में अटक के रहेगी ज़िंदगी. 30 आई नहीं, आके नहीं दे रही है. Thank you.
She will be asking questions. You have to answer.
Radio City has been the voice of Mumbai for decades. What does Radio City Mumbai Icon Award mean to you?
It actually means the world to me, because all of us have heard Radio City music, the things our radio jockey speaks, and plays such beautiful songs to us. And usme bhi Icon Awards, it's even more fun. So I'm looking forward to the awards.
Winning a Mumbai Icon Award means leaving a lasting impact. What's the legacy you want to create?
Well, let's be the legacy is what I want to create.
Your fans love you. If you had to send them a special shout out in the true Radio City style, what would you say?
Oh no, this is going to be difficult because I'm not very good at it, but रग रग में दौरे सिटी, रग रग में खूब मारो सिटी. Thank you, thank you.
सारा जी
Mumbai.
Okay. Alright. Questions will be coming.
Radio City has been the voice of Mumbai for decades. What does Radio City Mumbai Icon Award mean to you personally?
As you rightly said, it's been the voice of the city, and I've been listening to Radio City for quite some time now. I love the way the presenters talk. I love how people are connected with the voice, and really excited now to see what's going to happen, and looking forward to it actually.
Radio City Mumbai Icon Award is all about honoring game changers. In your journey, what has been your biggest game-changing moment?
I think recently the game-changing moment has been Bigg Boss. So yes, and looking forward to many more game-changing events in my life.
Your fans love you, and if you had to send them a special shout-out in the true Radio City style, what would you say?
My fans love me, and if I have to give a shout-out, then I would just say, voice your opinion, people. It's all about the voice.
एनिवर्सरी पार्टी हो गई, इफ्तार पार्टी हो गई, अब क्या कुछ bucket list में?
मुझे आइडिया दो और कौन सा ईद पार्टी है, लेकिन ईद मोस्टली मैं दुबई में सेलिब्रेट करने वाली थी और अभी आफीन चला गया है लंदन. सो आई एम जस्ट थिंकिंग अभी क्या करूं. शायद एक ईद पार्टी आप लोगों के साथ ही होने वाली है. अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स के बाद आई विल टॉक आफ्टर रमदान. सो राइट नाउ मैंने सब कुछ होल्ड पे रखा है. थैंक यू.
फील्ड में जिसने भी कुछ काम किया है, अगर उसे एक्नॉलेज किया जाता है तो खुशी मिलती है. और अगेन मैं यही बोलूँगा कि ये अवार्ड मैं मेरे सभी फैंस और दर्शकों को समर्पित करना चाहूँगा, क्योंकि उन्होंने लंबे समय तक मुझ में अपना विश्वास बनाए रखा है. धन्यवाद दोस्तों. थैंक यू सो मच.
आप रेडियो सिटी के फ्यूचर आइकन्स के लिए क्या कहना चाहेंगे सर?
रेडियो सिटी रोज़ लोगों के दिन को शानदार बनाता है. बहुत सारी आरजेस बहुत सारी अच्छी बातें करते हैं, बहुत सारी जानकारियाँ देते हैं. इनफैक्ट समय समय पे जब कोई क्राइसिस आती है तो हमें एफएम के थ्रू सबसे पहले पता चलता है और बराबर ताज़ा खबरें हमें सुनाई देती हैं. जो आइकॉन्स हैं उनको मैं अपनी शुभकामनाएं दूंगा और पूरे मुंबई को, पूरे देश को आप अपनी आवाज़ से खुश बनाए रखें. थैंक यू. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू.
मैं नर्वस हो गई इतने सारे लोगों के सामने. हेलो. अच्छा जी. ओके. विच कैमरा? ओके फाइन.
Radio City has been the voice of Mumbai decades. What does Radio City Mumbai Icon Award mean to you personally?
Oh my god, firstly, with Radio City, the correlation is music, and music is my life, as you know it, because of my father. So I think when the awards come with like a taste of music, it is so much more special, it means so much more, and I feel quite proud to be receiving this.
What's one mantra that keeps you going?
One mantra that keeps me going is just always be disciplined, no matter what you're feeling, get up and go do your work and just power through.
Your fans love you. If you had to send them a special shout out in the true Radio City style, what would you say?
Oh my god, I would say that you guys are my everything, and I love you all so much, and I'm nothing without you all.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.